go to Google search engine and type MIT App Inventor. When you enter in the first page of MIT App Inventor, you will find there is a create app. You have to press that button, create app. After that, you have to sign in with your email address and password. So before you start with MIT App Inventor, make sure you have your email address and password. After that, once you sign in, it's going to give you term and services. After that, scroll it down and just press on I agree button. I accept the term of services. Once you press the term and services, you will find the MIT App Inventor page will open. So you just have to press copy. You can skip the tutorials. After that, this is the first page where we are going to create our first app. So press button, start new project. Name the project name as Hello World. Okay, while writing Hello World, make sure you should not give any space. Once you press OK button, okay, it will going to take you to Hello World, where we are going to write our first app. So just check the Hello World. Here is a page where we can make our own app, which is a Hello World. So before we go ahead, let's understand how we are going to do the interface of that. So first one is a palette. In that one, you are going to see all these buttons. After that, you have layout. Layout will help you to arrange the button properly. Then we have media, where we can add sound, text, drawing and animation, which help us to create a video game app. Then we have map. So if we want to make an app which is similar to Ola and Uber, we can go in a map. Then we have sensors, because in our phone we have lot of sensor. If we want to use it, we can use it. In a socials, if we want to make an app and we press button, it should notify someone else, that we can do it. In storage, if you want to save your files, pictures, you can do it. Connectivity, there is a Bluetooth, and if you have Lego Mindstorm, you can use that also. In experiment, if you want to create your own extension, you can do that. On top, you are going to see the screen and add screen. So if in your app, if you want two screen, you can press one more add screen, then there will be a visibility of two screen. Now in a component, you can see screen 1, and on extreme right side you can see the properties of screen 1. Now whatever kind of thing, if you want your screen should be blue color or anything, you can change the property over here in this property tools. You will find lot of option in this property. Now we will see this designer we have done till now. Now when we press this block, it's going to take us where we can write our first code. Okay, so basically in a designer, we are going to have to design it, and in blocks we have to write a code. Okay, so in a built-in you will find lot of option. Okay, so again we will go back to designer. Currently we haven't add anything over here, so let's make our first app. So to make the first app, we need button. So we're going to place the button over here. As soon as when I put the button over here, in a component screen, you can see the button will appear over here. Now we just have to go in a properties to add some properties to this button. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, you can see the height and width. For example, if you find key this button, you just want to increase the size of this button, so how you were able to do it? Okay, so we have to use height and width. Okay, but before that, let's change the text. So we are just writing a text as hello. Okay, now click anywhere on the block, you will be able to see now hello name will appear on top of the button. Okay, now this hello button is very small, as I already told you. Let's increase the size of this button. Okay, so let's go to height. Okay, now you will find there's a 3 option: fill parent, pixel and percentage. Now if you select the fill parent, it's going to cover the whole screen. Okay, if you select the pixel, it's just going to select the few option of, it's going to capture few things, but we're going to take percentage. Let's make it 50%. Once you have done with 50, okay, might be 50 is quite big, so let's take a 20%, press OK. You can see now your hello button, it's only 20%. Now let's change even in a width. Okay, so same thing, same option you will find in a width. So let's see, put fill parent C. It's just going to cover all the space. Now we don't need fill parent, so we are just going to select the percent, and now here I'm just typing it 50, and let's press the button. Now you can see your button is almost capturing the width of 50% and height is 20% of your mobile screen. Now we just need, in this app we need one more option, that is label. So let's select the label option over here. Okay, so what we want ki whenever we press the button, okay, something should appear on the top of the label. Okay, now as we added label, you can see in a label in a component also. Now change the name of this label. Okay, so we are just editing the label, we're just removing the actual name, whatever is written in this label. So once we edited that, let's now, our option is let's go in a block. So we just have to do the programming part. So once you will move in a block, in screen 1 you can see the button and label. So here let's go to button, select the first one. When button 1 is clicked, what we want ki whatever when message which we are putting it over here, when we press the button, okay, it should show us that message. Now to show that message, which option we want in a label? Okay, so we need text. So we have to select set label 1 dot text. So let's select this label 1 dot text. Okay, you just have to fix inside this notch. Okay, now go in a built-in, select text and select the first option, which is completely empty. So over here we are going to write the text. Okay, so we will write something like hello world. Now let's come back to in your main page. Now you can see the connect. So once you press the connect, okay, so this connect option is useful. Suppose if you want to see the same thing in your mobile phone, we need the connection. Okay, so what we will do, okay, we are going to move on this connect. Okay, now on the right side you can see the view of my mobile phone. So we just have to add now go to AI companion. You can see the QR code. Now you have to scan this QR code on your this app. So whatever the code is given, KENTY, that will be visible over here. After 10 seconds, the same thing you can see on top of your mobile phone. Now when you press it, something like hello world will be visible.